Protoblast abrasive blast wheel machines are the most cost-effective way to produce consistent blast profiles for high volumes of repetitive work. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Also known as airless blasting machines, abrasive wheel machines use impellers rotating at 3,000 RPM to project the abrasive onto the blast section. Protoblast's custom-designed wheel machines maximize the effectiveness of the abrasive stream to the size and to the shape of the blast section. Now, this ranges from a single-wheel high-performance machine for cleaning steel pipes to an 8-wheel plate blast machine for the curved steel plates, commonly used to make large tanks for liquids. Only Protoblast abrasive wheel machines incorporate the Airstream Abrasive Classifier to continuously clean and recycle used abrasives, thereby significantly reducing total blasting costs and providing consistently high return on investment over a long 10 years plus continuous operating life. For more information, go to allthews protoblast.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.